Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the skate error that says, "This software cannot be used at the same time as the game Interception." Follow along step by step and we'll get it fixed. Step 1. If you have DS4 Windows running, that can trigger the error. Open the Start menu, type Task Manager and open it. Look for DS4 Windows in the list. If you see it, right-click it and select End Task. If it's hidden in your taskbar, just right-click and close the DS4 Windows application. Try launching the game again. If it still doesn't work, continue to the next step. Step 2. This error usually happens because of an interception driver that's been installed on your PC by another app or driver. In many cases, this file is located in your C drive. It's called install-interception.exe. To uninstall it, we first need to install it properly and then remove it. Step 3. Open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to allow it. Step 4. Copy the first command from this video's description. Paste it into Command Prompt and hit Enter. If it's already installed, you'll see an error saying it could not write to System32 drivers. If it's not installed, it will install now. Restart your computer. Step 5. After restarting, open CMD as Administrator again. Copy the second command from this video's description. Paste it into Command Prompt and press Enter. You'll see the message, Interception uninstalled. You must reboot for this to take effect. Restart your computer one more time. After your PC restarts, launch Skate again, and the error should be gone. And that's it. By removing the interception driver and closing background apps like DS4 Windows, you should be able to play Skate without any errors. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment below to let me know which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.